Hi, my name is Aditya, and today I will be sharing my experience working on four different type data analysis projects using Power BI, SQL, and Excel. The goal of these projects was to analyze data, identify patterns, and create interactive dashboards. I worked on four domains: stock market analysis, supermarket sales, Netflix content insights, and pizza sales analysis. I started by cleaning and preparing data using Excel and SQL. Once the data was cleaned and ready, I imported it into Power BI to build dashboards. Each project focused on different KPIs like tracking stock trends, identifying top selling products, analyzing Netflix genres, and understanding restaurant performance. Through the process, I learned how to transform raw data into meaningful insights and create visuals that help in decision making. Overall, this project helped me improve my data analysis skills and gain hands on experience with real world datasets. Thank you.